Hi, this is Craig Phillips, founder of Quality Water Treatment, also known as Craig the Water Guy. I hope you're doing well today. Thank you for visiting us here at qualitywatertreatment.com. We're a family-owned and operated company for over 30 years now, and we want to make sure that you get the best water softener for your needs. So you're on our SoftPro Elite Basic water softener page, along with the packages that are also on this page. I don't want to go over all this with you here. Our SoftPro Elite Basic water softeners are upflow water softeners with high efficiency features built into the control valve. These systems will save you up to 75% in water and salt and 64% of water every regeneration in comparison to other water softeners out there. So if you're looking for a water softener that actually pays for itself over a period of time and keeps on paying you back for the life of the system, the SoftPro Elite Basic is the water softener for you. This system also carries one of the best warranties on the market. It carries a lifetime warranty on the control valve and a lifetime warranty on the mineral tank and the brine tank. The system is a 1-inch control valve all the way through, so it gives you higher flow rates than most other water softeners out there. And it also comes with an upgraded 10% resin inside the tank. 10% resin is more durable against chlorine and chloramines. Chlorine and chloramines is used to disinfect your water, but it's enemy number one to resin beds. It breaks down resin beds fairly quickly, and it also makes them not as efficient. With a 10% cross-link resin, it doesn't hurt the efficiency of the resin bed, and it will last a lot longer than other resins out there, such as the 8% cross-link resin that's used by almost everybody else out there in the industry. This system here is built for quality water treatment. SoftPro is a quality water treatment registered brand. It's owned by us, and it's built by the manufacturer and shipped directly to you. The manufacturer is the second largest water treatment manufacturer in the world. Because these systems are built by one manufacturer instead of built by components by different manufacturers at some big warehouse somewhere, they are IAPMO approved, which is a third-party rating company similar to WQA or Water Quality Association. They also have the platinum approval seal through IAPMO, which is highly unusual for water softeners because most water softeners are built out of components that come from different manufacturers and are built by a third party elsewhere. So that's a big benefit to you. So these systems here, if you go over to our packages here, this is just our water softener package. Is our Elite Basic softener. If you go to the Elite Plus, the Elite Plus system is the same exact system as the Elite Basic. The difference is that it carries a KDF 55 media guard filter at the bottom of the tank here. So as water runs through the distributor tube here, it runs through that media guard KDF 55 first and then comes up through the resin bed and into the house. What the media guard KDF 55 does, it removes chlorine and chloramines from the water. It also helps remove heavy metals such as lead, copper, zinc, and cadmium. And it also is bacteriostatic, so it won't let bacteria grow within inside the system itself. Very good way to get good water throughout your whole house. The next system is our Elite Ultimate. Now, our Elite Ultimate is like a bottled water machine for the whole house. The first thing it runs through is an upflow carbon filter that doesn't require any backwashing. The water runs through this first, goes down through the tube, and filters upward through the carbon, and then in through your Elite Basic water softener to soften the water. Now, this carbon filter we use an upgraded carbon. Most of our competition out there uses what we call a coconut-based carbon, or just a standard coal-based carbon. We use an upgraded carbon called catalytic carbon. Catalytic carbon will remove not just chlorine from the water at high flow rates, but it'll also remove chloramines from the water at high flow rates. Your other carbons out there will remove chlorine at high flow rates, but they don't remove chloramines at high flow rates. So we've upgraded the carbon to a catalytic carbon, which has an average of a 5-year lifespan before you need to replace the carbon, where other carbons usually only last 3 years, depending on water usage. This system will also remove a lot of other things from the water, like pesticides, herbicides, petroleum products, lead, copper, zinc, heavy metals in general. It'll remove a lot of the pharmaceutical products that could end up in your drinking water as well. So this system here, again, if you want really good quality water throughout your whole house, not just for drinking, but for bathing in, washing your dishes, the whole 9 yards, the SoftPro Ultimate system is the one for you. So that's everything, folks. Quality Water Treatment has been in business for over 30 years. We're a family-owned and operated company. And if you have any questions or need help in any way, you can give us a call at the toll-free number here at the top of the website page, or you could use our live chat during business hours to talk to a representative, or hit the contact link and go ahead and send us an email with your questions. Now, if you're not sure what size water softener you need, use our sizing calculator link here, and that'll take you to our sizing calculator page. You can fill out some information there, and that will actually populate a water test score for you, as well as recommend the proper equipment per your specification and your needs. That's a really cool tool, and it'll help you out a lot if you need it. Thank you very much, and have a great day.